Ma'am, your stall is here for the Occupational Safety Health Expo Summit 2025. What is all about?
So our stall is with collaboration with FDA, the Director of Food and Drug Administration. So we are representing EnviroCare Labs, which is situated in Verna, Goa. So we do testing for food, water, environment testing. So FDA promotes the food safety for food. Why food is important? What is the hygiene and eat right. So here the main concern is testing. Like the food you are consuming, the consumer should be aware that the food is safe. So how do they come to know? By testing. So we do the testing of food, which is chemical plus microbial.
So in chemical, we do all the chemical parameters from nutritional as well as whatever harmful toxin or antioxidants, pesticides, residue, contaminants which have been present in the food as well as in water, whatever is there. As well as in when it comes to microbiology, there is a biochemical section. We also see about the pathogens that are present in the food. So now this is all important because what we consume we know, but what goes inside it we are unaware about it. So to be aware about it and to be sure that we are safe by whatever we are consuming, testing is important. So that is what we promote. And that is what the service that we give over here. From food testing, water as well as environment.
When this laboratory has been started, if anyone wants to do the test, they have to come Verna only, or your branches are other places?
So we have testing facility where we do the sampling, where we have samplers. So we also go to the industries, places or even homes where they want to collect the samples, and we collect the sample and we get it tested. If the customer wants it by themselves, they can also come down to our lab visit and they can provide us for testing.
So we have like the main headquarters at Thane, and that for the past 40 years. And recently our lab has also started in Goa, that is at the heart of Verna Industrial Estate. And we have other labs also at Nasik as well as Bangalore. So we have a spread most across the India, and so that is all our services.
How is this platform important for you to promote your this thing?
So platform to FDA has helped us to promote the own audience to make them aware about the testing facilities. That people should be aware what is health, what is safety, and what they are eating is right or not, whether it is safe or not. So like the Eat Right is one of the major component I would say that they have advertised for Eat Right safety, whereas the testing is important, licensing is important, and to make the consumer aware of what they are eating.
And so that the food is also hygienic as well. Because the canteen food, now especially when you see all the industry, what we are more focused is about the other industry like IT and all, about the canteen food. So now whatever they are consuming, because it should also be correct, right? It should be healthy. It should not be contaminated. So that is what we are promoting. So this platform has helped us to promote that. Food safety as well as hygiene.
How many years been you are working for this thing, and how has your experience been?
So this is our first time actually. So we are really grateful for EnviroCare Lab because they have given us this opportunity. Because this is the first time we are promoting it over here in Goa. Okay, especially at this platform.
Ma'am, your full name?
My name is Anushka Vinod Mapari. I work as junior analyst at EnviroCare Labs.
Ma'am, your full name?
My name is Karamka D'Souza. So I work in EnviroCare in sales and sample management set. So if anyone has any inquiry regarding testing and they want to know, get their product tested or anything for nutritional facts, if someone is going for small business and they want for nutritional labeling, they can also come down to our lab. If they have any inquiries regarding any testing, water testing, food testing, they can always come down to EnviroCare Labs in Verna and do their testing.
Thank you, ma'am.